everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to day 8 of Nailmas. Today I wanted to kind of create a super easy manicure that you could do if you were in a hurry, because the other night I was in a hurry and I needed something quick and easy to do because it was like midnight and my nails weren't ready. So I started off with a light pink base for this manicure, and I'm going to be using Heroine NYC's pink called Sugar Spun, which was featured in another video, I believe last week for Nailmas. I think it was the one that was the Starbucks inspired design. And this covers really great in one coat, but I do go ahead and put on two just because I feel like I just like having two coats on. I feel like it makes the whole manicure feel more complete. Then I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to move on to the art part of this manicure. It's a super easy type of design to do, which is why I decided to go with it. I am literally just going to take a maroon polish and put one swipe of it down my nail and kind of give it a whole kind of like dry brush look at the end. And the polish that I used for that was actually Painted Phalanges. That's my spot, which is one that I recently swatched my blog in a swatch video. I believe that was posted on Friday. Then after that, I'm going to go in with some golden acrylic paint, my Orly short detailer brush, and I'm just going to start freehanding some snowflakes. Usually I stay away from snowflakes because I'm not a fan of snow, but I thought it'd be really fun to put them in a manicure with some gold and just kind of give a really fun and easy design. This is something that you do not necessarily have to follow the exact way that I did it, because no snowflake is alike. Granted, we're probably going to paint some that are very similar, but you can kind of just add little V's and little lines wherever you please to make your snowflake unique to your own design if you would like, or you can follow this exactly. As you can tell, I started kind of with a plus sign, and then I added some little V's here and there, and that was my snowflake. Then after my snowflake was done, I decided I want to put in like little clusters of dots, so I did put in 3 little golden dots there on the side, kind of underneath the swipe of polish. I, for some reason, didn't get that bit on camera, but you can use your brush or you could use a dotting tool for that. And then I decided to go ahead and add like the edge of another snowflake at the top of my nail to kind of just fill in the whole design and make it look a bit more complete. I feel like this is such a fun and easy design that is also like rather quick to do, because it does have like the abstract element, which makes it look fuller in a shorter amount of time. I hope that makes sense, but I think it does. And I'm just going to do that as many times as you like for your nail to feel full and complete, and then you are officially done. It's a really easy manicure. Granted, I guess it could take some time, but as long as you have the right type of skinny brush, this is going to be a really easy design to do. And of course, you could change this up with so many different colors. You could totally do this with some blues. It'd make it really fun, but I was really liking the warm kind of color scheme in this design. So I then topped everything off with a matte top coat and let it dry, and then here is the final look at the design. Really fun, really easy, and just kind of fun and festive. That's quick because the holiday season is busy and we always need a quick manicure at some point. So there it is. Thank you guys so much for watching Nailmas Day 8. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I am trying to catch up on a blog post and feature all of these designs in blog posts as well, so you guys can pin them on Pinterest. But if not, you will, like, if you can't find one of these designs on my blog, it will be coming, I promise. But yeah, I think that is it. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all here tomorrow. Bye!